Good day, children, and welcome to Primary 1 Basic Science class. My name is Igwe Livinus Santiti, and my topic is things in our environment. Things in our environment. Things in our environment. Environment. This is those things we found in our environment. We can see them or in our homes, and they are grouped into two. One is living thing. Living thing. And two is non-living thing. Let's pick living thing for today. Living thing is anything that is living or that has life in it. Example of living thing is human being, goat, cow, trees. By structure, you can see goat here. You can see goat here. Goat as a living thing. Goat as a living thing. See goat as a living thing. Goat as a living thing. All of us know goat. Goat has head, it has leg, it has nose, and use the nose to breathe. See the mouth here, mouth of the nose of the goat, and the nose is still here. We have what is called the horn. It has eyes, it has legs, it has a tail. Goat has nose, and the nose is used to breathe. And only living thing can breathe. If it does not live, it can't breathe. That is why we describe those things that live in to be anything that has life in itself. From my structure here, we have trees as a living thing. We have mango tree. Mango tree grow and germinate and even yield fruit. We have iroko tree. We have different kinds of tree. Now, let's look at the characters of living thing. One is that living thing breathes. Two, living thing can move, it can jump, it can feed, and living thing will one day die. At this point, I would like us to stop. Thanks and have a nice day.